Hello and welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. In this video I'd like to explain how I made a garden planter box without using any nail. The planter box is 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters all around. The depth of the box is 40 centimeters. So the materials I'm using are simple ones that I find. Most importantly, bamboo sticks that I use as pegs and as the main frame. The wooden timbers taken from very old crates. Putting them together can be tricky, but the important thing is to get the bamboo sticks in pairs, and once you have them in pairs, like I have 2 4 already there, and then I'll have 2 more right in the middle, and that can hold the timber frames, so one side is complete. So from this experience I realized it was easy to replicate the idea across all the 4 sides. By now, if you look at the corner, you should have 4 bamboo sticks holding the sides together. All in all, bundle the 4 together and tie them. Now that should be very strong. It should be able to give you a strong, solid and a firm corner. Recapping what I've just explained, I used 24 bamboo sticks, 6 on each side, and that's to use as pegs to give a frame, like to where I could slot in the crate timbers, and that worked perfectly. Once I've done all the sides, I then tie them together using rope, and that's as strong and solid as it can be. So if you'd like to build any a timber frame like this work will most probably give you an idea as to how to go about. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and say hello in the comment. Thank you very much for watching.